This is how we jive mass communication. Here I'm again with another video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can pair your sound system, your AIWA or any other Bluetooth sound system. That means you can use them as a stereo speaker. You can connect them separately in the same time, but if you want, connect them as a stereo correlated to one another. So follow the tutorial. You see both of my sound system, they are in Bluetooth option, so they are not connected. So let's go close. In this case, you can go to any phone, iPhone or Samsung or Android, doesn't matter. Slide down here, go to Bluetooth option of your phone. I tap here. Go more inside Bluetooth setting. In Bluetooth setting, you see AIWA device appear. Connect anyone you like in this one.
Conectado.
So one of the devices is connected here. Now we'll go there to pair them one with another. For example, this one is not blinking, so this is the principal master. And this one is not connected with nothing. So what we do here, we tap here this button one time. And then we come here, this one. So you see this button TWS. You have to tap and hold this button. You see SLAU. I don't know what that means. Could be secondary or slave, whatever. So that is a master. This is secondary or slave. So they are connected together. Let me see, I will put some song to listen. Awesome. So both are properly working in this case. So this is the way you can pair your two Bluetooth speakers together for the stereo option. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then, bye.